Hi everybody, we're back for another video, and this will be a quick one. It is an unboxing video of something that I got come from Baum Küchen, and this was a birthday present. Make sure I got everything out of there. Yes. So here is their cute little receipt, and this one says, the journey is the destination. I'm not sure if that can come in focus. It's very cute. And it's just the receipt in there that they always have it on. So there's that. And they did include some of the Baum Küchen masking tape and a cute little fragile sticker with their logo that I'm going to take off and mail more love. Okay, so you can see it is not a traveler's notebook. You can see it is, nothing like that. But look at the beautiful packaging stickers. It says, if I can read it, I'm sorry. On the quest for life, well lived and loved. So, I love the two colors of twine that they use. And I'm going to see if I can save as much of this as I can. There we go. Okay. And this is their Baum Küchen tissue paper. And you can kind of see probably what it is. I'm just gonna pull something out of this little pouch. Just to make it easier on myself. Quick little cut. And this little pouch might have given it away. But ta-da! Look at that. It is the beautiful Superior Labor and Baum Küchen bag. You'll notice this is the one that I got in the subscription box from August of last year, I think, from the stationery selection and mitts. But this is the one that has the brass, which of course it's too shiny, but it says Superior Labor and has a bag. I can't read what that says. Oh, BK. Wow. So what this is you'll notice it's, and there's the tag. My little olive one came with that. But if you look inside, it's kind of hard to see, but there's these little slots. And this is perfect. So you can see it also has the Baum Küchen little label right under there. So it's a collaboration between Baum Küchen and Superior Labor. And I've moved all of my stuff into these 4 notebooks. I know you saw a video the other day that had a couple of different notebooks. This was the first documented journey that I bought, and what I have in here right now are passport inserts that these are it's Tomoe, no, not Tomoe River, it's Amadori MD paper that I used to make these so I could swatch all of the different, and these Arteza colored pencils were a birthday present from my husband. Some gel pens and more gel pens and metallic gel pens and glitter gel pens, all from Arteza. Some Artist Loft fine liners, and there's even more things in here. Those are the Tombow. No, these are the Crayola Super Tips. I separated them into different, their color groups. And some more. Those are the Artist Loft, which, do I still have those, or did I give those to the husband? I can't remember. Mild liners. So I have that type of stuff in here, and then I have just a lined insert that I printed. I decided to move my wallet in here. I won't show anything in here because of, it's got like IDs and stuff. But I haven't poked holes yet, but I have the folder and the zipper pouch on this Field Notes insert, which is in the back. So I've got my wallet. This one right here has my monthly personal planner, and it has my reference notebook. And then it also has my weekly insert. And then this, which I have got an adhesive pocket. I might put an Midori adhesive pocket and stick this in there. We'll see. And then my last one is my journal, which has my YouTube, arting, Pikidori, just notes. It's kind of like a general notes insert. My journal, which this was yesterday. I'm gonna do some journaling today. And then here's my weekly, where we are right now. So I have that Penelope Atelier yellow, kind of mustardy, saffron-y colored bag. But I wanted to get something that, like, look at that. It fits perfectly. My traveler's notebook. My traveler's notebook. Like, all four of them fit in there. I'm not gonna zip it because I might bust it, but they technically fit in there. But one reason why I got this was, you know, I do carry a lot of pens and stuff in here, but I thought it would be kind of nice, especially right now, to have a place where I could put my traveler's notebook, a few pens, and then my wallet, and it zips up perfectly fine. It's in that beautiful olivey color that I love, and it's Superior Labor, so it's, you know, and Baum Küchen, so it's high durable quality. The I think it's a canvas, a cotton canvas that they use. I mean, it's so durable. Now, when I got this one last year, it was as stiff as this was, because it's like a starched sort of a canvas, and then this is a special weatherproof paint that they use. And this is a color design that was only for the stationery selection box. So this was as close as I could get to it, with the olive and the sort of mustardy, off-white-ish color. And I'm so glad that I was able to get it. So I just thought I would share with you a quick little unboxing, and this was something that I talked about in the May No Spend Low Spend. This was the final item that I was waiting on for my birthday, which is the 6th, which I think this video will probably go up after that. So it arrived a day early on the 5th, which I mean, it said that's when they said it would arrive, but you know how the mail is right now. So just a quick little unboxing of my new pouch from the Superior Labor and Baum Küchen. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below, and I'll make sure that I link Baum Küchen's webpage where you can read and enjoy their blog posts and look at all of the wonderful items that they carry in their store. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.